Okay, so we are going to start our elimination method notes now. So now that you've seen the difference between elimination and substitution, we're going to be working with just elimination. So this is a little guided notes section, and if you notice, it tells you the steps in which you're going to work on the elimination method. So the first part says create blank like terms. So if you remember from the first question, we were dealing with opposite like terms. That's going to be a main term when we're dealing with elimination. Okay? What are we going to do with these opposite like terms? Well, we're going to add them. So if we add our equations together, our opposite like terms would cancel out. So just for example, if we had opposite like terms 2y and negative 2y, and you add these together, they equal 0, canceling out, which is one of the main points of using this to eliminate a variable. Okay, so let's do a few examples where we already have our opposite like terms, where we don't actually have to do anything to the equations. We're just going to be adding them to eliminate a variable and then get closer to solving. So in this first example, let's identify our opposite like terms. We have 2x and negative 2x. And if we add down, because they're already opposite like terms, we get our x's cancel out, y plus 8y is 9y, and 14 plus 22 is 36, giving us 9y equals 36. And if we solve for y, we get y equals 4. We can put that in our ordered pair for our solution. And now we just have to solve for x using the variable we know to find the one we don't know. So now let's just take that first part of the equation, so negative 2x plus y equals 14. Let's plug our y equals 4 in. So negative 2x plus 4 equals 14. And if we're solving, we get negative 2x equals 10, giving us that x is negative 5. Plugging that into our solution, and we have now solved our system using elimination. Okay, let's just do one more quick example. We do have like terms in this one, opposite like terms. We have 2y and negative 2y. So let's add down x, negative x plus a negative x is going to give you a negative 2x. Our y's cancel out. Bring our equal sign down and we get a negative 2. And as we continue solving for x, we divide each side by negative 2, we get x equals 1. Okay, now we know x, so let's find y. So we have negative 1 plus 2y equals negative 13. We add 1 to each side. We get 2y equals negative 12. And solving for y, we get y equals negative 6. We found our solution using elimination to that problem. So in these problems, you didn't actually have to do anything to the equations except for follow the steps just to solve for one variable and then use that to find the one we don't know.